Thanks for stopping by Custom Built Spas, your number one source for do-it-yourself information on building spas, small pools, plunge pools, and swim spas. For over 25 years, Custom Built Spas has helped hundreds of customers around the world build spas, hot tubs, and small pools. You can get free personal guidance throughout the build process until your project is fully completed and operational. First, get Gene's award-winning information package of videos and ebooks. You get 2 videos, 6 highly detailed instructional guides, plus 2 free bonus ebooks. This information is the gold standard of DIY information for these type projects. Lastly, he gives you free coaching help from the beginning to the end of your project. Get your very own information package today and let Gene become your personal spa building coach. He offers a very unique, one-of-a-kind, free service that you would be hard-pressed to find anywhere else. Discover what you can accomplish by going through Gene's website gallery, his testimonial pages, and then check out some of the beautiful projects Gene's customers have built. Click anywhere on a website page that says, "Get started now" or "Instant access." Fill in your information, and access to your info package will arrive within minutes.